Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get VIX 75 on TradingView. It is crucial to understand that VIX 75 is a synthetic index, not the widely recognized SIBO volatility index. This means it is a proprietary instrument offered by certain brokers, rather than a standard market ticker. Consequently, you won't find it directly on the main TradingView website. Accessing it requires a specific approach through a dedicated platform. The only direct way to chart VIX 75 using TradingView's powerful tools is by utilizing a broker's specialized platform. For instance, Deriv provides a dedicated TradingView interface specifically designed for its synthetic indices, including VIX 75. This integration allows you to leverage all the familiar charting features and analytical tools you love from TradingView directly within their ecosystem. To find VIX 75, begin by navigating to your broker's specific TradingView integrated website, for example, TradingView, Deriv, Com. Once there, log in using your existing broker account credentials. After logging in, locate the symbol search bar, typically at the top left of the screen. Type in VIX 75 or Volatility 75 index to bring up the instrument and add it to your chart for analysis. When trading VIX 75, remember it is a unique, highly volatile instrument designed with a constant 75% volatility level. It operates continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and is not influenced by traditional market news or economic events. Due to its consistent high volatility, it is absolutely essential to employ robust risk management strategies and have a clear trading plan to navigate its dynamic movements effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.